Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Lankybox squishy on the market, the Lankybox Mini Mystery Figures Party Pack 24-pack, Series 3. If you're a fan of the hilarious duo Justin and Adam from the Lankybox YouTube channel, or just love collectible squishy figures, this set is definitely worth checking out. This party pack is a fantastic collection featuring 24 mini mystery figures from Series 3 of the Lankybox lineup. Each figure comes as a surprise mystery squishy, so the excitement is real every time you open one. What makes these figures stand out is the vibrant cast of characters inspired by the Lankybox channel, including fan favorites like Boxy, Foxy, and Rocky. These aren't just any toys. They're officially licensed merch designed to bring the fun and energy of the channel's animated adventures right into your hands. One of the coolest things about this series is the ultra-rare varieties. Hidden among the 24 figures, you might get lucky and find the golden editions of Boxy or Foxy, which are highly sought after by collectors and fans alike. It adds a whole new level of thrill to unboxing because you never know which character, or rare squishy, you'll find. The squishies themselves are perfect for kids aged 3 and up, making them a great gift for young collectors or fans of the channel. Each figure is small enough to carry around but big enough to enjoy the soft, squeezable texture that squishy toys are famous for. Plus, since there are 8 unique characters in this series, the full set encourages collecting and trading, keeping the fun going well beyond just one box. Aside from being an entertaining toy set, these figures are also designed to capture the playful spirit of the Lankybox brand. Whether you're into the gaming challenges, funny shorts, or the animated antics on their channel, these mystery figures bring those characters to life in a tangible way. The packaging comes as individual blind packs inside a party pack box, which makes it perfect for group gifting or party favors. Imagine sharing the excitement with friends and family as everyone unwraps their own surprise character. It's a great way to spark conversations and connect over a shared love for Lankybox. When it comes to size and weight, the whole 24-pack measures roughly 2.5 by 2.25 by 3 inches and weighs about 6 pounds, making it a manageable set to store and display. The product ships directly from Amazon, so you can expect reliable delivery and customer service. In summary, the Lankybox Mini Mystery Figures Party Pack from Series 3 is an excellent pick if you want a mix of fun, collectability, and the joy of surprise. With officially licensed characters, ultra-rare golden editions, and the soft, squishy feel that's perfect for all ages. It's no wonder fans of Lankybox and squishy toys keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Until next time, keep critiquing.